Hello everyone. So today we will understand how to use rank formula to find the rank of the student. So we will solve one question in front of our sheet. We have given with some student name and the percentage they got in their exams. So we need to find the rank of the student. So we will use a rank formula. So we will write equal to rank. First of all we will make column of rank. Now we will write equal to rank. Now we will press tab. Now we will write the percentage comma. Now I will select all the percentage of the student, and finally I will press enter by freezing this selected column by pressing function key plus F4. So it will freeze the full column of the percentage. Then now we will press enter so that we will get the rank of the student, and we got third rank of. Now we will drag this same formula to whole column and we will get the rank of all the student. Thank you so much.